Do you want to open an application on Mac but get this pop-up when trying to do so? Well, let me show you how to fix exactly that. First off, we will basically have to click on Show Package Content because we will have to redefine a certain file inside this application which hasn't been coded rightfully. So make sure to open up the contents right here and then look for a MacOS file. This can also be slightly differently named from application to application. Either way, make sure to just open this up and right here we are going to have the file which we will have to actually change. So to do so, open up the terminal. You can do so by pressing on Command plus space and by then looking for terminal. Once we are right here, make sure to actually click on CD and then wherever you have located your file. In my case, this would be desktop as I have stored my file on desktop, and then we will basically have to change the permission of this exact file. And we can do so by putting in chmod plus X, and then we will have to put in the exact location of this file. So in my case, this would be the exact path. We can then press on enter, and as you can see, now this application has changed. And when now opening up the app, this is going to work. However, you will have to change the permissions inside the settings because Apple thinks that this is malicious software. To do so, head over to the settings, select privacy and security on the left, and right here you can see that this was blocked. So just click on open anyway, and then use your password. And now this should actually right here be opened. Perfect.